Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about a delicious and healthy drink that's perfect for anyone following a keto diet. It's called Keto Matcha Blue, and it's a refreshing and energizing drink that's packed with antioxidants and healthy fats. To make this drink, you'll need some matcha powder, coconut milk, blueberries, and some ice. Let's get started. First, we're going to add some matcha powder to a blender. Matcha is a type of green tea that's packed with antioxidants and has a natural energy boost. It's perfect for anyone who wants to stay focused and alert throughout the day. Next, we're going to add some coconut milk. Coconut milk is a great source of healthy fats, which are essential for anyone following a keto diet. It's also a great alternative to dairy milk for anyone who's lactose intolerant. Now, we're going to add some blueberries. Blueberries are a great source of antioxidants and are low in carbs, making them a perfect addition to any keto diet. Finally, we're going to blend all the ingredients together until they're smooth and creamy. And there you have it, Keto Matcha Blue. This drink is not only delicious, but it's also packed with healthy fats and antioxidants, making it the perfect drink for anyone following a keto diet. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who are also following a keto diet. And if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comments below. Cheers to a healthy and delicious drink that's perfect for anyone following a keto diet. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.